Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use sumif function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use sumif function, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have a table, and if there is condition to add or sum any table, you can use sumif function. Okay, so I want to calculate only east region cell. This is region, this is cell, and I want to calculate only east region cell. So I have to use sumif function. Okay, so just equals to, then here you have to type sum if. Okay, then it will ask for range. So in range we have to choose whole range. Now it will ask for criteria. So for the criteria I have to calculate only east region. So here inverted comma, then type east. You can also just select the cell, but I can type this east. Then you have to sum range, select the sum range. Now bracket close. Okay, now you will see east has 100, east has 150, so the result will be 250. Now here the other example is, here you will see this is student, subject and their mark. I want to add only John mark. Okay, John's mark. So just equals to sum if, then range this, comma criteria will be, you can just select John. Okay, now sum of range. So you will see John 180 and 75 will be 155. So like this you can use sumif function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.